Hey, what's going on, guys? What's happening, YouTube? You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels, and today we're going to be sharing an influencer story with you. I thought this was kind of funny as well as refreshing in a day and age where everybody wants to be an influencer. People are buying fake likes, fake followers, fake engagement. I thought this was probably the most honest influencer I've ever come across or ever seen. And for any of you guys who work with influencers, you know, it can be incredibly rewarding finding the right influencers, but there's a lot of kind of BS to sift through, and a lot of influencers can be kind of difficult to work with. So I thought this was kind of refreshing. There's a brand, I believe it's a women's clothing brand called Tobi, and they had reached out to an influencer, and here's kind of the message they sent her. They said, "Hi, the Tobi team and I love your style and Instagram feed. We're currently gifting Tobi merch to our favorite babes in exchange for at least 2 blog posts. We'd love to see how you style our items. Please let us know if you'd be interested, and I'll send over more info. Hope to hear back from you soon." And this influencer followed up. She said, "Thank you for reaching out, and I appreciate your interest in my page." And her page is called @AhoyMatey. I'm actually a huge fan of Tobi, and I'm a regular customer. However, I'm extremely transparent, and I don't want to waste anybody's time or money. My engagement is shit, and all my followers are old creepy dudes from other countries. I wouldn't want to take advantage of your company's generous offer, and I know that my page won't sell your products. Help your brand or produce ROI for Tobi in any way. Nonetheless, I'm happy to follow the Tobi media pages, be active on the posts, and continue to be a regular customer for nothing in return. I believe that would be more beneficial use of my page for your company. I hope this helps. Thanks and all the best." I just thought that was kind of funny as well as kind of refreshing in an age where it seems like influencers are kind of trying to squeeze every last penny out of brands, oftentimes when the brands aren't going to see an ROI from kind of collaborating with them. So just thought that was kind of a funny story. Figured we'd share it with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you on the next video.